Let's take a look at these two lines. Again, we're supposed to solve each equation for y. So I'm going to have 3x plus 4 is equal 7y. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides of the equation by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out, and I have y equals 3 over 7x plus 4 over 7. The coefficient of x is my slope. So I can say that m1 is equal 3 over 7. This is my first slope. Let's take a look at the second line. Again, we're supposed to solve this equation for y. I'm going to move 7x and negative 5 to the right side of my equal sign. So 3y is equal minus 7x plus 5. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides equation by 3. 3 and 3 will cancel out, and I have y is equal minus 7 over 3x plus 5 over 3. So m2 is equal negative 7 over 3. Please notice that coefficient of x is the slope. Now, let's take a look. We have m1 equals 3/7 and m2 is equal minus 7/3. They are different, okay? So when m1 is not equal to m2, the lines are for sure not in parallel. So let's check if they are perpendicular. We have a formula which says m1 times m2 is equal negative 1. m1 is equal 3 over 7 times minus 7 over 3. 7 and 7 will cancel out, 3 and 3 will cancel out, and answer is equal negative 1. So if negative 1 is equal negative 1, so these two lines are perpendicular. So I can say that L1 is perpendicular to L2. This is the solution to my problem.